Okay, we want a countertop here. Walls aren't square. Take something with a straight edge here, got a straight edge here, straight edge along the back. Butt these in, glue them together. That's all one piece now. That's all one piece now. So that is your jig. So then you take said jig, and you line it up on your countertop. Something along those lines. And you will then trace this line. You'll trace this line. Now have the lines traced. From there, that just gives you a preliminary where your line's going to be. Come and look for painter's tape, which I don't have in here. Grab some painter's tape. And you'll put some painter's tape along this line and this line, overlapping both sides. So now you got your painter's tape on. You will reline up your jig here. The jig, I just like to put it on first, mark it, then tape it. This kind of gives me an idea where the tape should be. Now that you got your lines, take a saw, or you can use track saw. Didn't bring track saw today. I got the saw, just not the track. Go figure. So take your saw, fresh finished blade, and just go through her slow. Oh, I do have the track. Give me a second. Take your track saw, fresh blade, and zip off your lines. You can always take more off, you can't add, so whittle away at it. And then you put her in. For the girls I hang out with, good enough. And then for caulking, interior caulk, stuff like this, normally tape it off, get nice clean edges. Exterior, like siding, that kind of stuff, obviously I don't, but this kind of stuff I do. Show you once all set down how it turns out. And finger it while it's wet. That's what she said. Until you can just start to see the tape line through the caulk there. Box. And there you go. Finished product. For what he's willing to pay, pretty darn good. And you don't have to have a track saw. Cut it by hand with a fresh blade if you need. Excuse the mess. This builder refuses to clean his job sites, and we refuse to clean it for him. Looks pretty good. Robert's your mother's brother, and we're done.